Alright guys, welcome to True Boys RC. Today we got the Arrma Mojave. We will be doing punch settings and how to calibrate with the DX5 rugged remote. So when you hit the set button, to calibrate it, it'll be the first one where it turns red. You're gonna hold set, hit the power, calibration mode. Go ahead and calibrate it, leave it in neutral, hit set, gas, set, reverse, all set. Let it go. Now you're all set, baby. So you calibrate it. Now we're gonna go through the variables, and what you want to do is whatever variable you want to be in, your brake forward reverse or brake in reverse, that'll be the first one. Your punch level will be the second one, and so forth and so forth. So we want variable number 2. So we're going to wait till it turns red, which is calibration. Then it's going to turn green. You'll hear it beep. Beep once, that means it's variable 1. Beep twice, variable 2. So let's do that now. Hold down set. Keep it red. Variable 1. Variable 2, you let it go. Now it's bleeping red. And it tells you how many beeps. So we're in punch level 9, so I'm going to go to 1. Punch 1, punch 2, punch 3, you hear those beeps, punch 4, punch 5 is one single beep, punch 6 is one single long beep and one beep. Alright, punch 7, one long beep and 2 small beeps. Punch 8 is one long beep, 3 beeps, 3 small beeps. Punch level 9, you got 1 long and 4 short ones. Punch level 9, baby. So that's how you do it. Hopefully y'all guys learn from your boy True Boys RC today. Go ahead and hit that guy. Well, we're gonna turn it off right quick. Make sure we got the right punch level. Y'all set. Got your steering. Yes, sir. Now I'm gonna put a bigger pinion on here too. We actually going 8S on this guy soon, man. 8S. We're gonna do the Max 6 with the 1650 kV hybrid wing motor. Man, this thing is gonna be a rocket. See a couple guys out there on YouTube doing their thing. Big shout out to y'all. I showed a couple of y'all's video on my live. I get y'all name when I do my 8S video. When I get everything, I'm gonna shout y'all out. Put y'all link down in the description, and we're gonna get it in. So we got the green and black one here. That's going Max 6 with the 1650, and then right now we're finna go get the Max 5 with the 1650 motor for this one. So make sure y'all stay tuned. I think this one's gonna get done first. We're gonna truckify this one, and hope y'all enjoy it, man. We're gonna truckify this one and keep this one right. Both of them 8S. We have a Creighton V3 build that we're gonna do. It's just a roller right now. Fix that up for my brother. We got the Limitless build to finish. Go ahead and get that 4070 TP motor for this. Thinking about doing Max 5 instead of XLX. So make sure y'all stay tuned. True Boys RC. Make sure y'all thumbs up the video. Drop a comment. And make sure y'all subscribe, man. We'll see y'all next time on True Boys RC. Let's get it, baby.